I know fear and anxiety can be overwhelming, but they don't have to control you. Fear is often a tool used by the enemy to keep believers like you and me from being effective and productive in advancing God's kingdom and having the impact that God has called us to have. 2 Timothy 1:7 says, "For God has not given us," that means you and me, "a spirit of fear, but of power and love and a sound mind." We've all experienced fear. I certainly know I have, especially when I started Purpose Minded Woman. And every time I felt like I needed to take a pivot, I often thought, what are people going to say? But the truth is, it doesn't matter what they're going to say, y'all. When we choose fear, we are actually saying that we're accepting the thoughts that we've created out of our own uncertainty instead of what God says. And listen, in this day and age, I need to hold on what God is saying about me and my future. When we focus on love, as Paul told Timothy, we seek to please God by obediently stepping into the place He has called us to without worrying about what the other people are saying. God has given each of us the power to overcome fear with faith and a sound mind. A sound-minded person makes wise decisions, prioritizes the things of God, and focuses on the power that he or she is given by the Holy Spirit. So the next time anxiety and fear creep in, declare this verse out loud and walk in the confidence that God has given you everything you need to face today. Listen, fear is not your portion. Peace and strength are. I'll see you tomorrow for another 1 Minute on Purpose.